Huh? Who is it floating in the air? Let's learn about it.
The world is amazing!
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet! Activate!
Hard head. 8 thin legs. An abdomen like a ball. Spider. A spider is not an insect. It has 8 legs and likes to eat insects.
It is a spider. The wind blows and the spider flies.
Look, Kiki!
The spider is flying. A spider can't fly.
What?
But why is the spider floating in the air? Let's take a closer look. A spider is hanging on the thin spider silk. When the wind blows, the spider sways as if it is flying in the air.
Wow!
Spider silk! Awesome! Quacky, do you know where the spider silk comes from?
Oh!
Is it spit out from the spider's mouth? That's not correct. Let's check out where the spider silk comes from. The spider silk is extruded from the abdomen of the spider.
You're right!
There are spinnerets on a spider's abdomen that extrude sticky mucus. The mucus turns into spider silk in the air.
Oops! The spider silk is all sticking together! This spider is spinning a web.
Spinning a web? Kids, let's spin a web with the spider. The spider web is finished. You are awesome! Wow! The spider web looks great! The spider web is very useful. Aw, look! Kids, do you know what's the function of a spider web?
A.
Playing as a trampoline.
B.
Catching insects.
C.
Playing as a stringed instrument.
Wow! That's right! You are right!
A spider web is sticky. The spider web can stick to insects and keep them from escaping when they get into it. Then the spider ties up the insects and enjoys a delicious meal.
Wow!
A spider is so smart! Let's check out how Mr. Spider catches insects. Tap the insect and catch it. Wow, a big insect! Let's tie it up. Wow, you've got a big insect! Wow, you've got a big insect! Now you've got a big insect. Quacky, what have you learned in this lesson? Oh, spider silk is extruded from the abdomen of a spider. A spider can use spider silk to spin a web. A spider catches insects with the spider web. All correct.
Quack, 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 quack.
Kids, have you got it? Tap and see what's behind the leaves. Spider. Which are parts of a spider's body? Around 8 thin legs. A small head. A spider can fly. Is this correct? A spider can't fly. A spider can spin a web. Is this correct? A spider can spin a web that can stick to insects. A spider likes to eat insects. Is this correct? A spider likes to eat insects. You finished the course. Great job!